Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is make cat. In this question, we are given that chef loves cat and tries to search for them everywhere. So today chef saw a string S of length 3 consisting of lowercase English letters only. And now our task is to tell chef whether he can rearrange the letters of the string S to form the word cat. So in the input will be given a single string S of three integers containing only lowercase English letters. And in the output, we need to print yes if some letters of S can be used to form the word cat and no otherwise. Now each character of the output may be printed in any case. So the case of the output won't really matter. So all of them would be considered valid. Now the constraints are that the length of the string would be 3 and the S contains only lowercase English letters from A to Z. So in the first input, we are given cat only. So obviously it can be rearranged, like no rearrangement is needed. It is already equivalent to cat, so we'll print yes. In the second input, we are given TIC and it is not possible to rearrange TIC to form the word cat, so we'll be printing no. And in the third input, we are given TAC, so we can reverse the string and we'll be getting cat. So the answer is yes. So now for the solution, there exists like many solutions, but we are given just three letters and 3 factorial is 6. So there just exist just six permutations which are valid answers, right? So what we can do is we can store all of these six permutations inside a list and we can iterate over this list and check this if the input string is equivalent to any of them, and if it is equivalent to any of them, we'll print yes. Otherwise, we'll be printing no. So now let's see the solution in Python first. So we begin by defining this list. We take in the input of our string S. We go through every element of this list. And if this current element is equivalent to the input string, we print yes and we exit the whole program from there. If it is not true, we print no and that's it. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we begin by taking in the input of the string S. We define all the possible permutations of cat and store it inside this array of strings. Now we go through every element of this list and we check if this I is equal to this S. And if at any point it is, we print yes and return from this function. We need to use this zero because it returns an int and it's not a void function. And if we could not find any such element, then we simply print no, and that's it. So this is pretty much the whole solution. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye bye.